when we are doing any process, there are two time. One is for CPU where the scheduling happen. Another one is IO. So we already see how the CPU scheduling help. Let's now talk about IO. When there will be IO, it require for a disk scheduling algorithm. During the disk scheduling algorithm, remember your disk is divided into a tracks, okay, different tracks. Suppose there will be a 200 tracks, so it start from 0 to 199, okay. Now suppose your read and write head is currently present at 50, okay. Now for any process or in your IO there will be a track to read, that one present at 82, 166, 160, 41, 145, 22, 15 and 190. So how the disk read or write at the particular disk, at the particular tracks, how will it do? There are lots of algorithms which disk scheduling algorithm follow. So suppose you are currently at 15, so you have to go to the track and read or write at this track. So how will you do? There are lots of algorithms. So let's start with the first one, is that is called first come first serve. Here which one track come first will get served first. So suppose you have first one track as a 82. So what will happen? 82 to get served first. So track move 50 to 82. Okay. Now how many track it move? It move total 32. Okay. Now the current position of your track become 82, and this had to move to the 160. So how many movement happen? 78. Now after 160, it has to go to the 41. 41. So how many track it move? It move 119. 119. Now at 41, it had to move to the 145. So how many track it move? It move 145 minus 41, that is 104. Now 145 had to move to the 22. How many track it cover? It cover 123 track. Now at 22 it had to move 15. It has to cover 7 track. Now at 7, 15, it had to move 190. 190. So it cover 175. Now by this method, how will you know what is the total time take by a disk to complete all the IO operation? It is how many track it moved. Basically it moved 32 plus 78 plus 119, 104, 123, 7 and 175. You add all these, which is approximately coming at, let me calculate it, 22 plus 78 plus 119 plus 104 plus 123 plus 7 plus 175, which is 638. 638 track it move. And to know the total time, you have to multiply this with a seek time. Seek time is basically the time taken by a read or write head to move from one track to another track. Suppose the seek time is 1 second. So total time it takes 638 seconds, which is approximately 10 minutes, 10.63 minutes. So I hope you clear how the FCFS algorithm work. It's basically work from first come first serve. Which track come first have to be served first. Now the second one, that is shortest seek time. Shortest seek time. What will happen? Suppose you have a current position of 50. So where it move? It does not move to 82. It find which one is a shortest path. So from 50, which one is shortest? 41 is shortest. It will move 41. Now it will be a 9. Okay. 9. After 41, which one is a shortest? 22 is a shortest. So it from 41, it moved to 22. After 22, which one is shortest? 15. So it moved to 15. After 15, which one is sorted? 82. So after 15, it will move to 82. After 82, it will move to the 145 because it is sorted. After 145, it will move to the 160 because 160 is sorted. After 160, it will move to the 190 because 190 is a shortest. So I hope now you know how the movement happened. Just subtract each one is. So remember always the movement is always positive. So 42 minus 22 minus 41 is 19. Do not subtract this. You have current position at 41, so you have to move backward, but the track movement is 19. So from 22 it moved to 15 is 7. From 15 it moved to 82. Just subtract it and add all the move position and multiply with the in a given question it is always given 6 time. You multiply by 6 time, you get the total IO time. Now next algorithm, that is called scan or elevator. What happened in the elevator or scan? Suppose you have at a 50. So scan or elevator both have the same meaning. It will basically go to the one direction first. So it will go to the 82, next 145, next 160, next 190. Now it will move to the till last. So I tell you, in this there are 200 tracks. So last one is 199. It will move to the 199. Then it will move to the again to the opposite direction. Start moving opposite. Which one first encounter with itself? It will be 41, then 22, then 15. So how will it happen? You have a 50, you have to go to the 82. Okay, at 82 you have to go to the 145. At 145 you have to go to the 160. At 160 you have to go to the 190. At 190 it go to the end. It go to the 199. At 199 it will go to the 41. At 41 it will go to the 22. At 22 it will go to the 15. I hope now this will clear how the scan algorithm work. Now similarly scan algorithm, there is another algorithm that is called C-scan, which is totally similar to that is called circular scan. What happened? You have a 50, you move to the 82, 145, okay, 160, 190, 199. Okay, now rather than moving in the backward direction, it will again go to the 0 position. After that it again will start moving. It will encounter 15, 22 and 41. So how it will happen? 50, you go to 82. After 82 you go to 145. 145 you go to 160. At 160 you go to 190. At 190 you go to 199. At 199 you go to 0. At 0 you go to 15. At 15 you go to 22. At 22 you go to 41. I hope now you know what is the difference between scan and C-scan. In scan, when it travel backward, it start taking one by one. But in C-scan, after completing the last track, it again starts from the 0. I hope the doubt will be clear to you. Now again there will be two other algorithms which is similar to scan and C-scan. That is in look. What do the look do? It start with 50. It go in the particular direction 82, 145, 160, 190. When it reach at the last track, it does not go to the last track of the disc. But when it reaches the last track of the queue which is given to us, it will again start with the 22, 41, 22 and 15. I hope now you clear about what's the difference between scan and look. In scan, it will go to till the last one, 199. But it will here in look, it does not go to the 199. It will go to the last one which is present in the IO for the IO. Then again it move from 41, 22, 15. So it start with 50, 82, 82, 145, 145, 160, 160, 190, 190, 40, 192, 41, 41, to 22, 22 to 15. I hope now the doubt will be clear. And the last algorithm, that is C loop. What happened? C loop is similar to the circular loop, circular scan. 50, 82, 145, 160, 190. So rather than going to the backward direction, it again go to the first one, which is that one is 15, because 15 is a first one. Then again it start moving to 22, 41. So it will be 50, 82. At 82, you move to the 145. At 145, you move to the 160. At 160, you move to the 190. At 190, you move to the 15. At 15, you move to the 22. At 22, you move to the 41. I hope now you will know all of the big scheduling algorithms which are required for the operating system. I hope you will know each one of them. Please practice the question. Till then, goodbye.